Digital Research Week has been absolutely fantastic. Numerous events and experiences for people to come to across the university to interact with all sorts of initiatives that we've got underpinning digital research. Researchers showing their own work using digital activities, inputs into thinking about how we might deploy digital technologies, through to some very, very senior individuals from industry talking about how their industries are being transformed as a result of adopting and harnessing digital technologies.
If you're in a lab trying to look for a new drug or a new formulation, you can only afford to do a limited number of experiments. But on a computer you can do a lot more. So instead of focusing yourself within your comfort zone, then you can expand.
If you have a system that can characterise and understand these quicker.
We can't go anywhere in our work without having the tools derived from very contemporary digital technologies to underpin everything we do.
I'm using a completely machine learning approach, so basically trying to mine the data.
Increasingly we're using massive data sets drawn from all sorts of arenas into examining questions that might be taken out of them. That requires really complex computing support. How do you analyse this data? How do you store it? So support to do all that kind of thing.
On the standard kind of university issue machine, to run just these, we're going to take something in the neighborhood of 47 months. And the high-spec research machine can run these at kind of reduced evolution, saying 12 days a year, and it can finish in about a day.
We have questions that we want to put to everything from genomics right through to how do we deploy findings into the health system, and all of those are enhanced by using digital technologies one way or another to either analyse things better, store data, or transform the kinds of questions we can ask about them. So absolutely essential to everything that we do.